Hey guys, welcome back to another video with the Justin Sphere on Hot Wheels unboxings. Today I'm going to be unboxing a 16H case. And we will start now. And it's not wanting to open. So first, we got the Super Treasure Hunt. Well, that's lucky. Well, you don't get these in many of the cases, but I seem to be lucky because I've already gotten 2 out of the 4 I've gotten. And that's the symbol. There's a TH on the front as well. And it's number 9 out of 10 in the HW Roadster set. 155 out of 250 cars for 2023. And in the 2023 H case. And next, we got the Twin Duction. The Twin Duction is a very cool fantasy car that is Musclemania. 1 out of 10. 73 out of 253 cars for 2023. Bone Shaker is 3 out of 5 Dream Garage. 60 out of 250 cars for 2023. Lamborghini Sion FKP 37. Number 1 out of 10 the HW Exotic set. Number 163 out of 250 cars for 2023. The 1970 Dodge Charger. Number 2 out of 5 in tune set. Number 153 out of 250 cars for 2023. New for 2023. Fast and Furious car. The Cool Combi. This is a recolor of it. And it is number 2 out of 5 in the Surf's Up set. Number 49 out of 250 cars for 2023. The Batman Forever Batmobile. Number 2 out of 5 in Batman set. Number 55 out of 250 cars for 2023. New for 2023. The Pagani Sonda R. Number 1 out of 5 in HW Turbo. Number 72 out of 250 cars for 2023. The HW4 Track. Number 5 out of 5 in the HWSS Race Stream. Number 159 out of 250 cars for 2023. New for 2023. The 1970 Dodge Power Wagon. Number 2 out of 5 in Mud Studs. Number 161 out of 250 cars for 2023. The Fast Fellion. Number 5 out of 5 in HW Turbo set. Number 165 out of 250 cars for 2023. The 71 Plymouth GTX. Number 7 out of 10 in Musclemania. Number 166 out of 250 cars for 2023. The Jaguar I-Pace E-Trophy. Number 9 out of 10 on the HW Green Speed set. And number 158 out of 250 cars for 2023. The Madden Debbie Hayes 1988 Pro Street Thunderbird. 5 out of 10 Retro Racer set. 56 out of 250 cars for 2023. The Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. Number 6 out of 10, number 8 out of 10 in the HW Screen Time set. Number 154 out of 250 cars for 2023. The Cloak and Dagger. number 1010 in the HW Art Card set. And it's number 157 out of 250 cards for 2023. And also, remember, you can go to the community tab into the pool if you want the Glory Chaser to have its own video as a super treasure hunt. And if you do not know where the pool is, it is in the community tab of any Android phone. And it is not on any tablets or on the TV. So remember to smash that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in another cool video.